The 2025 Honda Goldwing continues to define the pinnacle of luxury touring motorcycles, combining cutting-edge technology, engineering refinement, and unmatched comfort. Honda's long-standing reputation for building reliable and innovative motorcycles reaches a new height with this model, making it a top contender for riders who crave adventure without compromising on comfort or performance. The design of the 2025 Goldwing is both elegant and aerodynamic. Its sleek lines and refined bodywork improve not only aesthetics but also functionality, reducing drag and enhancing stability at high speeds. The use of premium materials in the low-slung stance gives the bike a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia is dominated by LED lighting that enhances visibility and gives the Goldwing a modern, aggressive look. Every detail, from the chrome accents to the paint quality, reflects Honda's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. At the heart of the Goldwing lies a powerful 1.833cc six-cylinder engine, which has been refined over the years for smoother power delivery, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. The horizontally opposed configuration ensures perfect balance and minimal vibration, contributing to the silky smooth ride that Goldwing owners expect. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, which allows for seamless gear changes, whether in manual or automatic mode. Riders can enjoy sporty shifts or relaxed cruising with the touch of a button, and the throttle-by-wire system includes multiple riding modes for different road and weather conditions. One of the most impressive features of the Goldwing is its advanced suspension system. The front end uses a double wishbone design that isolates the rider from road imperfections while maintaining sharp steering and excellent feedback. The rear suspension is adjustable electronically, allowing the bike to adapt to varying loads, passengers, and road conditions. This dynamic suspension setup, combined with low center of gravity and a lightweight frame, ensures that the Goldwing handles more like a sport touring machine than a heavyweight cruiser. Comfort is paramount in the Goldwing, and Honda has equipped it with features that make long-distance touring a joy. The seat is ergonomically designed for both rider and passenger, with premium materials that resist fatigue on extended rides. Heated seats and grips come standard, along with an electronically adjustable windscreen that provides optimal wind protection at the touch of a button. There are integrated air vents and deflectors that help manage airflow around the rider, making the Goldwing comfortable in a variety of climates. Technology is where the Goldwing truly stands out. The large, full-color TFT display provides all essential information at a glance and is highly customizable. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing riders to integrate their smartphones for navigation, calls, music, and more. The integrated GPS system includes real-time traffic updates and can be operated via voice commands or handlebar controls. A premium audio system delivers rich sound, even at highway speeds, enhancing the overall riding experience. Storage is another area where the Goldwing shines. The model includes a spacious rear trunk and two side saddlebags, offering ample space for weekend trips or cross-country adventures. The trunk is capable of holding two full-face helmets and can be opened remotely using the key fob. Additional storage pockets are conveniently located around the cockpit for smaller items like phones, wallets, and tools. Safety features are top-tier in the 2025 model. Honda's advanced traction control system, ABS, and cornering lights contribute to a safer ride in all conditions. The Goldwing also includes a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, hill start assist, and even a reverse gear for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. For those opting for the top trim level, the Goldwing Tour model adds an airbag system, further enhancing rider protection. The riding experience is nothing short of sublime. Whether gliding down a coastal highway or carving through mountain passes, the Goldwing feels planted, responsive, and luxurious. The quiet, powerful engine, combined with the sophisticated suspension and tech-laden cockpit, makes every journey feel like a first-class experience. Passengers are treated to an equally plush ride, with backrests, armrests, and their own heating controls, ensuring they enjoy the trip as much as the rider. In terms of value, the Goldwing justifies its premium price tag with its feature-rich platform, Honda reliability, and long-term durability. It is not just a motorcycle, it's a grand touring machine designed for those who take their riding seriously. With its mix of innovation, comfort, performance, and styling, the 2025 Honda Goldwing remains the benchmark in the touring segment. This motorcycle is ideal for seasoned riders who want the latest in comfort and technology for long-distance touring, and even for those newer to the touring scene who want the confidence of a well-rounded, dependable machine. Whether it's for a weekend escape or a cross-country adventure, the Goldwing delivers a ride that is both exhilarating and luxurious.